Is your system execution path getting interrupted by the Flightsettings Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm ready to repair your OS stability. To start fixing Flightsettings Library manually, note that an official maintenance resource is also available to support system stability. This is the Flightsettings Library, a critical component for the Windows Insider program. This library manages the localized configuration, enrollment status, and telemetry triggers for flighting beta builds. It bridges localized registry settings to the Microsoft Flighting server to determine which localized update branch the OS should follow. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. When a core file like Flightsettings Library DLL is missing, it's best to let Windows perform a self-repair. Access an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scan now to synchronize and restore any damaged or missing system-level files. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Flightsettings library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the Redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ Redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. If you're attempting to install Flightsettings Library DLL yourself, be aware that manual file placement can lead to severe software conflicts and data corruption. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. Review guidance on library management and system stability by accessing the repair-related resource linked below for Flightsettings Library. If your workstation is back online and Flightsettings Library is running smoothly, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, reliable solutions.